Small fleet owners can save money and grow their business by buying used trucks. While large fleet owners benefit from tax breaks from new trucks, small players can take advantage of affordable second-hand options and make it cost efficiently for themselves. Let's explore that in detail. First, how large fleet owners benefit from ITC and depreciation. Large fleet owners purchase new trucks under HCM and claim input tax credit on 28% GST paid. They charge 12% GST on transport services and offset it against the 28% GST paid on the truck purchases, efficiently reducing tax expenses. Depreciation helps them reduce their taxable income even when they earn profit. After 5 years, they fully claim their depreciation on old trucks and buy a new truck and follow this cycle to get enough benefits of tax. Buy used truck a smart buy for small fleet owners. When large fleet owners sell their 4 to 5 year used truck, it becomes an excellent opportunity for new people coming in this industry. Cost efficient. Second-hand trucks come at significantly lower prices. Bulk purchase advantages. Timing is key. When a large fleet owners sell their truck, you can get a great deal out of it. Or when a financier sees a truck, you can also bargain it and get it at a very affordable price. This helps you buy trucks at a very lower price. And also, the current market is tight. Negotiating can secure more better deals. Now the question is where to buy used trucks at best prices. You can choose authorized agencies. Some dealers are expert in selling pre-owned trucks. Second, finance companies. Example, Shriram Finance sells their seized truck or unpaid loan trucks at a very lower rate. You can stay connected with them to get better deals. A thing to remember is inspection. Always check the truck's condition and also all the mechanism in it so that you don't face any problems or repairs after buying it. Fourth, lower EMI pressure and faster profit. A 4 to 5 year truck is a very good condition truck and also comes with a very lower EMI cost rate, better than a new one. You also have the option to close the loan in 2 to 3 years rather than extending to 5 to 6 years. In second-hand trucks, once the EMI is cleared, all the profits goes into your pocket. The last important one, buy trucks based on market demand. Investing in trucks with high market demand ensures better earnings. For example, if 32 feet multi-axle is in high demand, your smart move will be buying that. If demand is low, it is better to avoid them and choose a truck which is high in demand. For small fleet owners, buying a second-hand truck means less investment, lower EMI pressure, and more profitability. The key is to stay updated on fleet sales, market trends, and financial opportunities to grab the best deal. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section.